Hey, what's up? Today I've got a very special topic for you, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a PDF file with your phone. Okay, there are many apps to make a PDF file, but today I'm going to tell you how to make a PDF file with MS Word. Okay, now do you know what is PDF file? Well, so keep watching. Okay, a PDF file is a printable document developed by Adobe in 1993 to present documents, including text, formatting, and images in a manner independent of application, software, hardware, and operating system. Now I'm going to tell you how to make. First, you need to open MS Word. Then open your document, or if you don't have, then click here on plus sign over there. Or if you have, then open your document. Okay, open your document. Then click here. Then click here. Click on PDF. Click on Save to Drive. Then click on Save. That's it, guys. If you want more videos like this, then click the subscribe button and you have to press the bell icon down below. Okay, and on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you also like my video. Okay, bye bye. See you soon.